Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be going through the functionalities of TutorsGrid for a tutor. Signing onto the platform, you're going to click this sign up button and select your role as a tutor, plug in your details and set up your account. Once that account's created, you'll come here using those details to get to your tutor dashboard. On this dashboard, you can see the Tutor of the Month leaderboard. This ranks all tutors on the platform based off of the number of sessions they've done, multiplied by the star rating 0 through 5 that they receive on each session. At the end of each month, the top tutor on this leaderboard will receive a cash bonus. You can also see your session overviews here and how many sessions you have upcoming. Looking towards the top right of your dashboard, you can see any notifications that you have, as well as access your account to change your password or log out. Moving over to your profile page, when you log in, you're going to want to get verified on the platform. To do this, you'll have to upload a range of documents through this upload document feature. This includes your proof of identity, any academic reports, as well as a working with children's check. You can add your bank details here, so when a tutor books you out through the platform, it allows you to receive your payment, as well as add an address to show your location to tutors if they want to book someone in a close proximity to them. Through the edit profile feature here, you can add a bio, any qualifications you have, your hourly rate, as well as what subjects you specialize in. There's a range of subjects here. If there are any subjects that are missing or you wish to add, please reach out to our contact details, which you can find down here. Moving to the sessions page, once you're verified, you'll be able to upload your availabilities onto this page. Let's say on Mondays you are available from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. You plug those details in here. You can add your hourly rate here, as well as select whether you want to repeat this availability for a month or if it's just a one-off. If you repeat it for the month, it will put it on every single date for the next month, and every single month you can change your availability depending on how things are going for you. Through the earnings tab, once you have set your availability, you will still be able to edit it. Let's say you are no longer available at 8 p.m. anymore. Before you've been booked out, you can come in here and change this to 1 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. and update your hourly rate there. Through here, you can see any upcoming sessions as well. So as we can see, we have a session on Sunday with James Anderson in accounting. Here it gives us details of the session, it shows us where it is, the date and time, and it shows us our payment summary. Note that Stripe fees will be subtracted from your payout, which ranges from about $30 to $1 on each session. Through the earnings tab here, you can see your earnings for each week. It tells you whether or not it has been paid out or not, and you can click in and see the sessions that you have done in order to earn these earnings. Through the campaigns tab, you can start a campaign to get yourself featured on the student dashboard. This will allow you to bring more clients in as you're the first person that they'll see on the platform. Thank you, and as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to admin@tutorsgrid.com.